Hello, boys and girls, Mrs. Sadowski, and happy Friday. Time to take our benchmark quiz. So this week, even though we did the week 2 stories, we're giving you the benchmark Unit 6, Week 1 quiz. And that's because we wanted you to have 2 weeks worth of lessons prior to needing to taking this. Please do your best on it. We're very curious to see how things are going with your reading skills. So you're going to read this little passage of The Road to Happiness, a European folktale, because after all, we've been reading folktales all week long. So you're going to go through this cute little stories about these brothers, and it goes down and down and down. 14 paragraphs, but some of them are pretty short. Okay? So once you've read this, then you're going to be looking at the questions. What's the main event that begins the action? Where does the action really kick off in this story? Okay? And you've got 4 choices to choose from. Once you've done that, in paragraph 8, what does the word hastily mean? Please look back at paragraph 8. Look at the way the word is being used and ask yourself, which way is it being used? When we get to question 3, it has 2 parts, so do be sure to scroll down so that you answer both parts of the question. So we're going to be looking at which word best describes the older brother in the story. Kind, clever, selfish, cruel. And then you need to choose a detail. And it's just one detail. Pick one that supports whatever answer you choose. We've been doing work with this with both Rabbit and Coyote and now Molly Whoopie. So you should be pretty strong with this skill. Number 4, which phrase from the story gives a clue to the meaning of complied in paragraph 5? Again, please look up the word, find where it is, look at your choices, and decide which one is best. On number 6, the story is told through a repeating pattern of events. Kind of like Molly Whoopie, right? Those were repeating patterns. She goes, steal something from the giant, gets back to the king. Steal something, back to the king. Steal something, back to the king. And each time somebody got married, right? So in this story, there's 2 things that keep happening. What are they? They give you these options. Your job is to drag them into these 2 slots up here. Okay, so click and drag. On number 6, how does the younger brother earn a reward in the end? What did he do to earn that reward? And number 7, notice it has 2 parts, so make sure you scroll down and do both. The main theme of the story suggests that happiness comes from, how can we get happiness based on this story? And then it says which detail from the story supports the answer. You're choosing just one detail. Okay? So that's the quiz, boys and girls. I wish you the very best with it. Mr. Ford and Mrs. Jansen and I, we really want to see some solid scores. So really put some effort into this one. Do your best. Make sure it's your own work. We don't want to see your parents' work. We want yours, but we want you to really try your best. Don't just click answers to be done. Alrighty. Talk to you later.